Today we're gonna make focaccia bread. Let's get started.
So focaccia is actually incredibly simple to make. I'll put the ingredients and the instructions in the description below, but it's flour, salt, yeast, olive oil, and water. Make sure you get some help with the mixing. So once it's all mixed, just cover it and rest until the next day. So when you take it out the next day, you will see that it's risen quite a bit. Just dump it out onto a floured workspace, make it into a little ball if you can, and then find something to put it in. Put it in this cast iron, and I covered it in olive oil. You need to really drench it. And I flattened it out and stretched it all inside this cast iron pan. And then I let it rest again for another hour. So as it rests, it loosens and relaxes quite a bit, and this is when it will take its final form, and this is when you're going to season it. For this version, I did smoked salt and olive oil. Bake at 450 for about 25 minutes, and then you get this. Yoink! So I had enough dough to make two more versions. This first one, potato, red onion, and rosemary, which is a killer combination on focaccia. It came out so good. One thing I didn't consider with this one is that I used a wider baking sheet, and it's much thinner this way, and I cooked it for the same amount of time, so it got a little bit drier than the other. So this one was really good. The potatoes came out creamy, the rosemary was delicious. Oh, it was a winner. For the last version, I cut up some pancetta and I roasted some garlic in olive oil. Again, this one came out of the oven looking great. And then smothered it in Parmesan cheese. Another winner here, guys. These were so good. It was actually so incredibly easy to do. This is just a really simple recipe that you could jazz up in any which way you want, and it's guaranteed to come out great. Enjoy!